Hello again. So we reached exercise 8, lucky number. So we have a 4-digit number. It's called lucky if the sum of the first 2 digits is equal to the sum of the third and fourth digits. So we need to ask the user to enter a number n. So we assume that the user is entering a 4-digit number, and then we should check if it's a lucky or not. So let's take an example here. So we have 3719 is a lucky number, since 3 plus 7 equal to 10 is equal to 1 plus 9 equal to 10. Here 8 is not equal to 3. So let's take the same example, 3719, and see how can we find the characteristics and see if it's a lucky number or not. So suppose that this number is equal to x and it's formed of 4 digits. So the difficulty here is to get 3, 7, 1, and 9 out of this number. So if we have 3000 and something, how can I get the number 3? So how can we get the number 3? I'm just giving you some seconds to think about a way to come up with the number 3. If you have a number that's like this, like 3719, how can you come up with the number 3? So if you divide 3719 by 1000 in C, you will get 3.719, and since in C those two are integers, so the division will be an integer, and thus we will get the number 3. So to get the first digit, it's easy. We just need to divide the number by 1000 and we'll get the number 3. What about the the second one? So let's move a bit and see what can we do. So till now I have this number, which is x. I have this one, I will call it digit 1, which equal to x over 1000. How can I get it's 3719. Okay, 37, and here we have 1. So how can I get the number 7 here? So if, for example, I divide this number by 100, so if I repeat the same stuff, if I divide 3719 over 100, I will get 37 in C. So 37, what can I do is that I can remove minus this one, multiple 10. So I will remove 37 minus 30, I will get a 7. So in order to do that, I will call it D2. So I will make x over 100. I will get 37 minus 3, not 3, multiple minus D1 multiple 10. So like this, I will get the number 7. So this is the formula for 7. How can I get 1 here? So again, let's move 3719. I need to get this. So if I divide the number by 10, so I will get 371. So let's say that I want the number 1. I will call it here D3. It's equal to D1. It's equal, sorry, to x, this one, minus, let's come back here. So we have x over 100. So we have x over 10. So we get 371 minus D1 multiple 100 minus D2 multiple 10. So this one is 100 tens, and this one the digits. So this is the way to get D3. How about D4? D4 you can get it like the same way, x over 1 minus the summation, or another way to do that is to, so D4, D9 here, is to do, sorry, it's x modulo 10. It's the remainder of the division between x and 10. So if we divide x by 10, so 3719 is equal to 371 multiple 10 plus 9. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder, which is D4. So we will solve it like this way. On the internet, you can find another solution on my website. On the solution of the website, you can find a variation of this solution. So let's first start by asking the user to enter a number. So printf enter a 4-digit number. So also on the website you can see some do while stuff, so don't pay a lot of attention about it. It's just to be sure that the number is formed of 4 digits. So let's say that we want a number int a, and then the user should enter, let's keep it x, the scanf %d address of x, and then we need to get the 4 digits. So I will declare d1, d2, d3 and d4, and here I need to get d1 equal d2, d3, so we'll fill this now, and d4. So as we have said, in order to get the first digit I need to do x over 1000, and then in d2 I'll divide it by 100. So let's come back. In d2 I'll divide it by 100, and then I will subtract d1 multiple minus d1 multiple 10. So when I divide by 100 a number like this, I will get 37, I will remove 30, and I'll get 7. As for d3, I will divide by 10, I will remove d1 multiple 100 because I will get 3 digits, and minus d2 multiple 10. As for d4, it's equal x modulo 10. You can also write x minus d1 multiple 1000 minus d2 multiple 100 minus d3, or so I will put it again here. So it's x minus d1 multiple 1000 minus d2 multiple 100 minus d3 multiple 10 if you want this formula. So at the end we need to check if the sum of the first 2 digits is equal to the sum of the third and fourth digits. If d1 plus d2 is equal to d3 plus d4, it means that the number is lucky. So let's print it like it is. Printf the number, here we'll place %d and we'll place here x, is a lucky number since %d, the first digit d1 plus d2 is equal to 3 plus 4. So here we put d1, d2, d3 and d4. Otherwise we'll say that it is not a lucky number. So else the number is not a lucky number since it is not equal to that. So let's run the program and see if whether 3719 is lucky. So yes, the number is lucky since 3 plus 7 equal 1 plus 9. So we have successfully retrieved the all digits using these formulas. What about 3521? 3521. So 3521 is not a lucky number since 3 plus 5 is not equal to 2 plus 1. You can try your own number. For example, 1001. So is a lucky number since 1 plus 0 equals 0 plus 1. So this is it for this exercise. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to write to me and I'll answer you back. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel and to hit the bell icon to turn on the notification. And thanks for watching again.